That means it's time for a story of trains short. Last Metro train tonight. It was a beautiful night in Washington, D.C. before midnight. By now, everyone has gone home and in bed. But some people were still on Metro, heading home. And I and the engines were among them.
The rush hour is over.
Everyone's gone home.
Of course, not everyone.
Some gone home. We need to get to Morgan Boulevard so Day will pick us up. And look, it's around late.
We're seeing the last trains.
The last two trains in Carrollton.
Well, we need to... Looks like we'll be catching the last blue line to Largo.
I never been on the last Metro train before. I wonder what it's like. Let's explore. Here's a 3000 series, the last blue line of Antonio Springfield.
Good evening, the team and engines. Are y'all heading home?
Yes, we are, 2000. We're just waiting for a train to Largo.
Well, you better not miss it. It's the last two trains. One silver and one blue. Now, the sooner I get to Antonio Springfield, the sooner I can put it to bed. I'm tired. Good night, 3000.
He's tired.
Here comes the last silver line to New Carrollton Here comes the last silver line to New Carrollton.
This is Metro Center. Transfer is available to the red line on the upper level.
It's 7,000.
Yawns. And to the orange and blue lines on this level.
Evening, 7,000 series.
Good evening, the dimming engines.
Tired.
Yes, really tired. Long journeys between Maryland and Virginia via Washington, D.C. Long door chime time. Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit. Yawns. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. This is a Silver Line train to New Carrollton. The next stop is Federal Triangle. Yawns. So tired. A. Stay awake. Must. Stay. Awake. Slowly falls asleep.
7,000 went to sleep for a second. The engines and I shouted at her to wake up.
7,000, wake up!
What, I'm awake, I'm New Carrollton, trainer. Yawns.
Don't fall asleep, 7,000. You're the last silver line in Carrollton. So get you.
I will. Just make sure you all don't miss the last train to Largo. There's only 2 trains left.
We won't miss our train to Largo, don't worry.
Yeah, there's 2 trains left to Largo. One blue and one's a silver. Like you.
Except you need a Largo-bound train. Yawns. Not a New Carrollton-bound train like I am. Step back. Doors closing. Got to go. I can go to bed once I get to New Carrollton.
But don't worry, there's one more train to Carrollton, and this time it's an orange line. Cool, we're gonna catch the last orange line to we're gonna see the last orange line to Carrollton.
But of course we're not getting on that one. We need a We need a Largo-bound train. The last two trains to Largo are both 6000 series. What should I catch? The last blue line or the last silver line? I would decide, but you'll see later. We looked at the board. There were 3 trains left towards Maryland. And then on the other board, there is 2 trains left to Virginia. Wow, engines, look at this. Wow, look at this, engines. I can't believe we're on Metro and we're about to catch the last few trains of the night. You know, I wonder how it is at L'Enfant Plaza. We would go to L'Enfant Plaza soon.
Here comes the last Silver Line train, Ashburn!
And it's 7,000 and it's 7,000.
Good evening, 7,000 series.
Good evening, Madame and Engines. Yawns. You don't know how tired and sleepy I am.
Oh, we know you're tired.
I'm glad this is the last Silver Line train to Ashburn. For the night anyway. Long door chime time. Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. This is a Silver Line train to Ashburn. The next stop is McPherson Square. Step back. Doors closing. The sooner I get to Ashburn, the sooner I can go to bed at either the Dallas Rail Yard or at Ashburn Station. Yawns. Last Silver Line to Ashburn on my way. Good night, Madame and Engines.
Nice Silver Line 7,000 series. And we just saw the last Silver Line at Ashburn for the night.
Now, the only other train left to Virginia is an Orange Line train to Vienna.
That is the last ever train to Virginia for tonight.
But we're heading toward Maryland, and there's 3 trains left.
1 orange,
1 blue, and 1 silver.
looks like everyone's waiting for the, given that no one got on the, not everyone got on the blue or silver.
They're waiting for the orange. We're about to see it. Oh, the cousin anyways.
Wow, this is fascinating. This is exciting. Riding the last train tonight. The station here is almost empty. I feel like only a few other passengers left here to catch their train back home before the metro system closes for the night. It's a 7,000 series. Here's the last Orange Line to Maryland.
And the last train to New Carrollton.
You know, in Metro Centers,
And L'Enfant Plaza should not be
that's why it's a L'Enfant Plaza.
Doors opening. This is an Orange Line train to New Carrollton. When boarding, move to the center of the car. The next stop is Federal Triangle. Step back. Doors closing. Hey, Madame and Engines, why are you on this train? This train is to New Carrollton, not Largo.
I know 7,000. We're not the right train. We're just gonna go to L'Enfant Plaza.
Oh, okay. Later, we were approaching Longfont Plaza. This is Longfont Plaza. Transfer is available to the green and yellow lines on the upper level, and to the silver and blue lines on this level. Connection is available to the Virginia Railway Express, but obviously no more VRE service for the night. Doors opening on the left.
Look, 7000. Your sister's is the last orange line to Vienna.
Yes, I see. Hi, sister. Hello, sister.
Looks like you're still kind of busy here at Longfont Plaza.
Doors opening. This is an Orange Line train to New Carrollton. When boarding, move to the center of the car. The next stop is Federal Center Southwest. Driver, can we please go now? We've been waiting for a while.
Not yet. We have to make sure everyone is here on board.
Step back. Doors closing.
Okay. What am I
Okay, we don't have much long.
Let's check the upper level.
Make it quick, Bean. Look, it's the last Green Line train to Greenbelt.
All these. And it's 7000.
Yawns. How much longer will I be here?
Tired, Sev.
Yes, I can't wait to go to bed. Anyway, what are you doing here at Longfont Plaza? Shouldn't you be heading to Largo?
We came to check if anyone else is here. And man, Longfont Plaza's a ghost town now.
6 minutes, but aren't you the last Green Line train to Longfont Plaza?
It's to Greenbelt, and yes, I am. What is that?
Ooh, no passengers. Here's the last Blue Line to Largo.
Oh no, the last Blue Line train. Dim and engines. Hurry up and run.
7,000, I am not running because there's one more train to Largo. Look, okay, yes, look, I missed this one, but there's one more train. Okay? Maybe look. Seems right, there's one more train to Largo, and that's the subway.
We're gonna catch that. Good night. Actually, like 6,000. Good night, baby.
Stay down here. The last train to Largo's coming. Okay, 6,000.
Me and the engine stayed on the lower level at Longfont Plaza because the last train to Largo was 4 minutes away. But little did we know we'd get delayed at Metro Center. Then, we start to hear a loud noise of a fast train approaching.
What is that?
Woo! No passengers!
Out of service train coming through.
Woohoo!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah! Woohoo! Yeah!
Except why does he still have it like on?
Yawns. I'm so tired. I might fall asleep while I'm traveling.
7,000, do not sleep ride.
No, 7,000, do not fall asleep while you're traveling. Do not sleep travel. She better stay awake or God help. For God help us.
Anyway,
Have mercy!
look at the blue, orange, and silver lines on this level now.
Empty.
It's empty. No one else here except us. except us.
Oh, here we come. Delayed. It's probably holding at Metro Center. Yeah, it's probably holding at Metro Center to get the last few passengers. Lights flashing.
Here comes another out-of-service train. Actually, it wasn't coming. I think it was holding at the last station, Federal Center Southwest. But I guess it caused the lights here to flash. That's low.
That train at Metro Center's taking its time.
The reason it's holding because they want to make sure to get the last few passengers onto the train.
If you want to learn more, watch Tom's video when he rode the last Metro train that night. Dang, how long is it? Dang. Today, man.
Well, I checked. A Chico bound train running at Metro Center now. Once the passengers get on.
The Largo bound train should leave Metro Center. Looks like it finally left Metro Center.
All the passengers were on board.
And now, it's only us left.
Weird. Looks like we'll be the last passengers getting on this train here at L'Enfant Plaza.
If not ever. Why are these lights still flashing? We never seen a train pass by.
There's a train sitting in a tunnel.
Oh. Nadine, why is the train sitting in the tunnel?
I don't know. I guess it's gonna stay there for the night.
And here's our last train.
And here is the last train.
Back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
In the front, two cars, it's the 250th, and it has the 250th on it.
Step back, doors closing.
Oh, poor Ethan. Oh, Ethan, the third-man engines.
Huh? Good evening, 6000 series. You sound sleepy.
Oh, no worries. I went back and forth between Ashburn and Sacramento, and down between Ashburn and Carrollton and Largo all day, and I raised a lot of back. Jeez. And then you said, now, you're just doing your last train today. So, what the heck?
Oh, hello 6000 series.
And what are you doing here, 7000? Shouldn't you be heading back to the yard? 6000 has a point. 7000, why are you still there?
I don't know. I think I might sleep here tonight.
You might sleep.
Next stop, Capital South.
Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. Step back, doors closing.
So that means I'll probably be an extra train to New Carrollton.
Oh, we're going home. Towards Largo. Good night. Good night. Good night, Orange Line 7000 series.
Good night.
Thanks, Ed.
Drivers have announced that the drivers are being announced and reminding passengers that this is the last train to. This is the last train.
Last train. And no more.
Chicago, next stop Benning Road.
I think he meant
Doors
silver.
opening. Step back to allow customers to exit.
This
When
is
boarding,
silver
please
line, not
move to
blue
the
line,
center of
as
the
I
car.
checked.
Yeah, the last
Step
blue
back,
line
doors
already.
closing.
The last blue line train already went past here.
This is the silver line train. Sometimes operators can get a little weird with the lines.
No kidding.
Sure that, I think.
Always love their porn show.
Yes, that will be up. For a while, anyway. Yawn.
Hang in there, 6,000. Look, you're almost done. Look, you're almost done, 6,000. Just Capitol Heights, Ashton Road, Morgan Boulevard, and downtown Largo.
Then you can go out of service.
I hope so, everyone. I had all the back and forth I don't do today.
Then later, we arrived at Benning Road Station, and by now, the front of the train car was
Please
empty.
move to the center of the car. Step back, doors closing.
Everyone left this car.
That just mean that give me my engines left in this car.
We'll be out of service at Largo. This train will be out of service. All passengers will and must exit this train at the end of the line. This train will be out of service.
See, 6,000?
Next stop is Patterson Road. Doors will be opening on the left-hand side.
See, 6,000. What I tell you, the driver said this train will be out of service at downtown Largo. And then, we're done.
Oh, God. I could rest my wheels. What? I could rest my wheels at Largo. Or in the are. I don't know where. I have no idea where.
Patterson Road. Doors opening left.
Wait, don't all Metro train go back to the yard?
Most of them, some of them just end up sleeping in the station or somewhere in the system, or on tracks. Why? Because the yards are full? Yep.
Makes sense.
Figures.
Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
Largo, next stop Morgan Boulevard.
That's our stop.
Step back, doors closing.
Train tunnel approaching! They call me sick forever and I'm never gonna stop.
You people with disabilities are awesome.
What can I say? I have all of them.
So do I. So do I, Stuart.
You have all of them, Stuart? Yeah.
Impressive.
By the time we got to Morgan Boulevard, it was after midnight and almost 1 o'clock. Nadim has never been out this late on Metro before. I liked it.
And this concludes the Metro Day.
Doors opening, step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
Good night.
Step back, doors closing.
Oh, finally. Largo. Then I can go out of service and go to sleep.
Huh? Oh, I'm sure. Yeah. Oh, I'm sure you will, 6000.
Well, good night, Entertainment Engine. Pleasure to take y'all home.
Not 6000.
And good night, Washington Metro.
And the last metro train ever has departed. No more trains here until service starts up again. Well, no more metro rail service for tonight, and no more buses, except for the one that runs 24 hours a day. So I guess that's helpful. Yeah, Nadine, because still lots of people travel at night, because some of them work at night, or all night.
Kinda like nocturnal animals. Oh, you could say nocturnal people.
Yeah, see, because they sleep in the day,
But they're out and about at night.
makes sense. Anyway,
This ends this Dora train short.
thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye, and given the time, good night.
Everywhere you look,